안녕하세요. So, you want to drift like a pro in FR Legends. So, you really need to like this. You go here and you need to take your control, switch it to this one, which the yellow thing, the yellow, I don't know, but the yellow, yellow box. So yeah. So let's try going back to the bed. I've been drifting here, but I don't really know how to drift. But I saw it on YouTube, so I'm gonna teach you how to do a drift. So right, so you'll start right. Start. So if you wanna like go over, click the handbrake. The one you like when you goes it slow, click it. Right, I'm here clicking it. And after that, you can drift anywhere you want. And that is how you drift. So I'm literally bumping things. So I hope this helped you. Let's try some drifting. Go 1, 2, 3, go. Go drift. You can try. You can try in For Real and FR Legends. You can try. You can control it. You try to control it. So the important thing is the handbrakes. So if you wanna switch, click it here. And after that, you could like this. Do and where you go. I like doing here, doing this camera right here. So you know how to drift in FR Legends. Just control your car. If you don't control your car, then you cannot drift, or without using the handbrakes, you cannot drift, and that's how to drift in FR Legends. You get now? You get it? Now you get it, guys. See you in the next episode.